Okay, now we're going to show you how we weather an EWS truck. What is the first thing you do?
We spray it with Tester's spray lacquer.
And what that does is it actually causes the powders to stick to the truck. And what are you using to weather?
To weather, I've got a Vallejo, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, environmental acrylic weathering paint. And then there's Vallejo model wash in a dark brown. Also black weathering powders by DCC Concepts, and then rich old rust.
And what tools are you using to put it on?
Okay, a small brush for the paint, and then makeup sponges and a makeup brush to brush the powders on.
Thank you. Before it's weathered, as you can see, and away we go. And explain what you're doing as you're doing it.
Okay, just the paint.
Sorry, wash.
Wash, environmental acrylic wash. Just roughly put it on with the brush, trying to get into the crevices all over. And you allow that to dry a little bit, not completely.
We don't live on a building site, it's just we're having our drive cleaned at the moment. So in the background what you can hear is the guy's compressor for his pressure washer and drive cleaner. We're doing this all in real time, we're not stopping the camera. Obviously should you choose you can skip, but say you get an idea, it's no good stopping and you're stopping it and going on to the next step, and somebody's wondering why 3 hours later they haven't made the next step. So this is all real time.
Okay. Then with the makeup brush and a bit of the old rust powder, you just put that in.
You put it on the lower black parts as well, do you?
Yes, yeah. Just along there.
And what we're trying to do is make it look weathered rather than fit for the scrap heap. We see some weathering and things are so weathered that they wouldn't even be using them, they'd be scrap. And what powder's that's been?
That's DCC Concepts Rich Old Rust. Come in small pots like this, and I find it easier just to tip a little bit out into these old milk bottle tops. And you can wash them out afterwards and get reused. And you can just layer it on. So you could do a bit of the rust. And you can go to the black. And for the black I use the makeup sponges, and then you can just rub that as coal dust. Obviously the lettering will be dirty, so you can cover that up slightly. and then the coalfish under there. Just gently rub it in. Obviously this yellow's not going to stay pristine, so you try and do the inside as well. Maybe a little bit more rust. And just rub the rust in a little bit with the sponge as well. And that's basically it.
Thank you very much. And obviously we've weathered them to varying degrees because we don't want them to all look the same, because they will not look the same. So if you can hold it on its side so we can see, move your hand out of the way, and you can see there, one weathered coalfish wagon. Thank you.